In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the best color scheme for your Shopify store. Creating a cohesive and eye-catching color palette is essential for building a strong brand identity and improving the overall user experience on your site. To make this process easy, we'll use a great free resource called Color Hunt, available at colorhunt.co. This website features a wide collection of handpicked color palettes created by designers from around the world, making it an excellent source of inspiration. Once you're on Color Hunt, take some time to browse through the available palettes. When you find one that matches your brand's style and vision, click on it to view the details. You'll see the hex and RGB values for each color in the palette. These values represent the exact shades you'll use in your store and can be copied with a single click. Now that you have your color values, it's time to add them to your Shopify store. Open your Shopify theme editor. On the left-hand panel, scroll to the bottom and click the gear icon to access theme settings. Within the settings, navigate to the colors section. Choose the color scheme you want to update, whether it's your primary colors or accent colors. Paste the copied color values into their appropriate fields. Be sure to preview your changes to see how the new palette looks alongside your layout and branding elements, ensuring everything feels consistent and visually balanced. And that's it. You've successfully applied a thoughtfully chosen color palette to your Shopify